Hello, my dear friends. Let us discuss another operation with respect to time, that is your scaling operation. Already I have discussed two operations. One is holding operation or time reversal operation. Other I have discussed time shifting operation. Now let me cover what is actually time scaling operation and what is the concept behind this time scaling operation and how to plot if the signal is time scaled by a factor. Okay. Now see, suppose you are having a signal xt, its time scaled version is x of 80. Here I am taking a is positive and there are two cases. For positive, see, this is suppose 0, that means a value you are taking this side, a value you are taking this side, positive side. So for positive side there are two cases, one is up to 1, other is after 1. This up to 1, this case, other is after 1. That means I will take two cases for a. The first is a is greater than 1. देखो अगर a 1 से बड़ा है तो क्या होगा, नेक्स्ट में a अगर 1 से छोटा है तो क्या होगा, 1 से छोटा लेकिन नेगेटिव नहीं है, 0 से 1 के रेंज में पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, आई एम टेकिंग पॉजिटिव वैल्यू because if you put negative then automatically that will case the time reversal will attach. Okay, so now this is nothing but actually the concept of scaling. What is the meaning of scaling? If xt is a signal x of 80, the time scaled version of xt. Okay, now let us take actually different value of a and I will explain how you have to plot the time scaled version of a given signal. Okay, now let us consider suppose xt. I am taking the simple example. On the basis of example I will discuss so that it is very easy to understand. So xt suppose I am giving a rectangular, देखो t suppose actually t by 2. For simple case I am taking this is t by 2 because I am taking the both side width 2 means one side width 1. Okay, see, now what you have to do, you have to plot x of 2t. First let us consider x of 2t because I am taking here a greater than 1, a is equal to 2 which is greater than 1. I am taking this case. Now how to sketch it, देखो ध्यान से इसको कैसे स्केच करेंगे, स्केच करने के बाद क्या कंसेप्ट मिला उसको हम लोग देख लेंगे. ठीक है, देखो तो x of t is equal to rect t by 2. ना इसको अगर प्लॉट करेंगे, this is your x of t, this is your rectangular function. The plot already I have discussed, minus 1 to 1 because this is the total width is 2. Now this is 1 because here nothing is present means 1. This is the rectangular pulse x of t. Now you have to sketch x of 2t. फर्स्ट देखो मैं जिस तरह पढ़ा रहा था उसी तरह पढ़ाऊंगा. तो क्या करना है, x of 2t मतलब मैं पहले t की जगह पे 2t ले लूंगा, एक्सिस को भी 2t ले लूंगा, shape remains unchanged. So what I will do, I am taking this is your 2t. ध्यान से देखो बहुत तरीका है, कोई भी तरीका पकड़ लो उसी में जाओ, तुमको डेस्टिनी मिल जाएगा. दिस इज x of 2t. ठीक है, नाउ प्लॉट विल नॉट चेंज, सेम minus 1 to 1 because you are using dummy variable. In case of t you can use p, q, r, 2t. यहाँ पे 2t मतलब यहाँ पे भी 2t लेना पड़ेगा to preserve the shape same. So then it is 1. This is your x of 2t versus 2t. But what is your aim? Your aim is to change this axis to t axis. If you change this to t axis, then x of 2t versus t. Your objective is to plot the curve with respect to t, with respect to time axis, not with respect to 2t axis. Then what you have to do? Here is this mark. I am taking the points when 2t is equal to minus 1 because I want to discuss at this point what is the value of t, at this point what is the value of t, at this point what is the value of t, because I want to change this axis with respect to t. So at this point what is the value of t? Here 2t is equal to c, 2t is equal to 1, t is equal to minus 1, t is equal to minus 1 by 2, t is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. That means this point t value is minus 1 by 2. देखो ध्यान से, at this point 2t is equal to 0. Now what is t? T is equal to 0. T is equal to 0 here. here also t is equal to 0. At this point 2t is equal to 1, t is equal to what? 1 by 2. At this point t is equal to 1 by 2. ध्यान से देखो, मतलब अगर तुम t एक्सिस लोगे, so this point becomes minus half, this point becomes 0, this point becomes 1 by 2. That means you are transforming 2t axis to t axis if you consider the points as this. Okay, now see, if you consider 2t greater than 1, ध्यान से देखो, 2t greater than 1, this side, this portion let us take, then what will find? T greater than half. That means this portion becomes greater than half. Now let us consider 2t less than minus 1, this side. Now t less than minus 1 by 2. So this portion becomes less than minus 1 by 2 when you take t axis. Understood? Now within this range, try to understand. Minus 1 less than 2t less than 1. ध्यान से देखो. What does it mean? Minus 1 by 2 less than t less than 1 by 2. You can put equal to. Actually, this is discontinuous. This point generally not shown. So I am for continuous curve. This is just drawn in this point. Now minus 1 by 2 less than equal to t less than equal to half. You can say. In this range, that means this range becomes this range. Now in this range, what is the value? 1. So therefore this range the value will be 1. So accordingly, just a case. See, this is time axis. This is your x up to t. Now 2t axis you have changed to t axis. So minus 1 point becomes half, minus half. Plus 1 by 1 point becomes plus half. Now between minus half to plus half, the value is 1. Whatever the value, that is preserved. Because curve equation is not changing now. Curve equation is not changing now, na? Because it's a constant. Constant will not change. Whatever constant, same constant you are getting. Now after this half, value what? 0. After this half, value t greater than half, value 0. Value 0 था ना, 0 रहेगा. Before this half, minus half, value 0. जो था, because ये value इधर आ गया, ये value इधर आ गया, यहाँ से यहाँ तक हो गया. So this will nothing but actually x of 2t. So what you understood from this? See, this figure and this figure, what is the difference? xt versus t, x of 2t versus t. That means x of 2t versus t अगर प्लॉट कर रहे हो तो ये जो कर्व है, ये जो फिगर था, ये कंप्रेस हो गया. Compression. That means for a greater than 1, देखो a greater than 1, here I am taking 2, the signal is compressed. The signal is compressed. Understood? Compressed. So a greater than 1 signifies compression of the signal. Here actually compression of the signal. Okay? With respect to t, not with the height के दृष्टि से compression नहीं हो रहा है, width के दृष्टि से compression हो रहा है. Compressed signal. Understood or not? This is compressed signal. Okay, this signifies time compression. Now here 2 is there. See, now for quick reference, what you observe, this observation will give you idea to plot actually the curves very fast. Okay, so this is actually minus 1. So 2 is there means minus 1 by 2. 1 is there means 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That means we are dividing 2. These 2 points. These points we are dividing 2. Extreme points we are dividing 2. अगर यहाँ पे 2 है ऊपर में तो extreme points we are dividing 2. Okay. So now this is basically x of 2t. Now let us consider a less than 1. ध्यान से देखो. On the basis of this example I am showing. Suppose a less than 1. ध्यान से देखना इसको. A less than 1. Let us take a is equal to half. That means we are considering x of t by 2. Actually, x of 80 na? What you have to draw? X of 80, which now shows x of 1 by 2t. This is nothing but x of t by 2. We are going to sketch it. Now see, this is your time axis. This is your x of t. X of t that is known to you. Minus 1 to 1, 1. Now, what you will do? x of t by 2 versus t by 2 ले लो. For understanding point of view, x of t by 2 versus t by 2. That means same shape you will find. अगर इसी एक्सिस को सेम आर्गुमेंट ले लेते हो तो सेम. Now you have to change this t by 2 to t. T by 2 axis to t axis. So how to change? Here you just mark exactly same manner. T by 2 इज इक्वल टू -1। देखो यहाँ पे t/2 -1 व्हाट इज t इक्वल टू -2। नाउ यहाँ पे t/2 इज इक्वल टू 0 व्हाट इट मीन्स t इज इक्वल टू 0। यहाँ पे देखो t/2 इज इक्वल टू 1 व्हिच इंप्लाइज t इज इक्वल टू 2 सर t इज इक्वल टू 2 here t is -2 here 2 that means if you sketch this is t axis directly you can sketch -1 becomes -2 इधर हो जाएगा 1 becomes 2 इधर हो जाएगा 0 तो 0 पे रहेगा। now just find the range -1 less than equal to t less than equal to 1 what is the value 1 इसका वैल्यू क्या था 1 था ठीक है less than equal to t/2 सॉरी t/2 इसका वैल्यू क्या था 1 था। नाउ t के लिए देखेंगे तो -2 लेस देन इक्वल टू t लेस देन इक्वल टू 2 इट्स वैल्यू सेम रहेगा 1 तो इसका अंदर वैल्यू सेम रहेगा 1। अंडरस्टूड दिस इज योर x ऑफ t/2 वर्सेस t। सिमिलरली यू कैन ऑब्जर्व ग्रेटर देन 1 यहाँ पे t ग्रेटर देन 2 के लिए 0 हो जाएगा लेस देन -1 के लिए 0 यहाँ पे लेस देन -2 के लिए 0 हो जाएगा। समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है। सो ये तुम्हारा x ऑफ t/2 व्हाट यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग। सो इफ a लेस देन 1 that means see the figure was this now the figure expanded this is expansion that means a less than 1 signifies time expansion amplitude में कुछ नहीं हो रहा है टाइम में एक्सपांड हो रहा है सर एक्सपांशन टाइम एक्सपांशन अंडरस्टूड ओके। सो दैट मीन्स जस्ट मार्क x of if a greater than 1 time compression if a less than 1 then time expansion time compression time expansion understood clear। so so I have given this example so that now I think it is understood how this time scaling operation is performed okay। so now any signal will be given to you you can easily scale with respect to time। देखो suppose xt I am giving 2 triangular t or t/2 suppose I am giving this is one side width। so now if you plot suppose you just sketch x of 3t then sketch x of t/2 whatever you just sketch suppose first I am plotting x of 3t। so पहले ट्रायंगुलर सिग्नल को प्लॉट करते हैं so this is your x of t 2 triangular t/2 one side width 2 this is -2 and here this extreme value is also 2 this is x of t। now these things I have already covered how to sketch a triangular signal। now x of 3t see 3 means a greater than 1 definitely you will find compression is what compression means here -2 मतलब 3 ऊपर में -2/3 you can say -2/3 this is +2/3 this is 0/3 again 0 you will find the same height will not change extreme value will not change but remember this equation will change slope will change here the slope is what +1 here the slope is 2/3 this is 3 right understand the slope becomes 3 slope ज़्यादा हो गया this is +3 similarly here slope is -1 here -3 slope will change but the extreme part will not change in this case equation will change understood okay। so now this is your time compressed signal because xt is equal to this much x of 3t just mark it is compressed with respect to time। similarly x of t/2 you can easily plot x of t/2 then how to plot x of t/2 so t/2 means here -2 into 2 नीचे 2 मतलब मल्टीप्लाई किया जाएगा समझा है। so this is coming -4 this is actually +4 and here 0 multiplied by 2 0 again you will find the same। देखो इसमें क्या हो रहा है so this extreme point will 2 so this is expanded now slope will change here the slope 1 here the slope is what -1/2 sorry +1/2 here -1/2 because rising means plus falling means minus this concept is just remember। so this is your x of t/2 so any plot will be given to you you can easily expand or compress by taking the value of a whether less than 1 or greater than 1 understood respectively expand or compress whatever you just do by using a value you can make it a value different you can either compress the signal or you can expand the signal. What about the, now suppose actually xt, suppose there is a signal xt which is a suppose let us take rt, simple case. Then x of 2t x of t by 2, देखो ये बहुत आसान है, तो इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है, आरटी तो मालूम है, ये आरटी हो गया राइट साइड में, दिस इज स्लोप 1, दिस इज योर एक्स टी. नाउ एक्स ऑफ 2t, देखो इसमें तो टाइम पॉइंट, टाइम में टच वाल होने वाला पॉइंट एक ही, यहाँ पे टच हो रहा है, तो एक्स ऑफ 2t मतलब क्या होगा, कंप्रेशन होगा, कंप्रेशन होगा, मतलब ये 0 0 by 2 अगेन 0, तो सेम शेप यू विल फाइंड एस इक्वल 1, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, एस इक्वल 1, दिस इज योर एक्स ऑफ 2t, टाइम में कंप्रेस हो गया, टाइम में कंप्रेस हो गया, अंडरस्टूड. ये तो जा रहा है पूरा इन्फिनिटी की तरफ जा रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं. नाउ एक्स ऑफ टी यहां पे कितना था, टी था, यहां पे देखो ध्यान से, एक्स ऑफ 2t क्या हो जाएगा, 2t हो जाएगा, यही चीज है, यही चीज, मतलब इसका इक्वेशन स्लोप 2 हो जाएगा. एक्स ऑफ 2t वर्सेस टी, तो मतलब वर्सेस टी ना, तो स्लोप 2 हो जाएगा, यही डिफरेंस है, अदरवाइज सिग्नल एक्चुअली इनकरेक्ट, क्योंकि 0 by 2 दैट इज ऑल्सो 0. सिमिलरली एक्स ऑफ t by 2, दिस इज योर टाइम एक्सिस, दिस इज योर एक्स ऑफ t by 2. एक्स ऑफ t by 2 हाउ टू कंसिडर, सी हियर, तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 0 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 0, दिस इज 0. देन इक्वेशन व्हाट, एक्स ऑफ t by 2 इज इक्वल टू t by 2, that means you will find a straight line whose slope is 1 by 2 or 1 by 2t. So in this way you can plot any signal which is timely scaled. Okay, thank you.